Hello there.
Welcome to another episode.
It's me in the mines.
VHS tapes that I own or have borrowed off my friend Bo. Today,
You I have the features. Here's a hook.
On it, but I have Hook, which is in a normal cover. This is the original 1992 tape.
He has a Moaning Sound. He has a few minutes.
He is a great actor. Rest in peace.
He will have the north.
Without further ado, we have
Okay, let's do this.
A rare closing.
You're gonna have the morning noise at the end.
Freshman intended. Oh, also there might be a little bit of damage.
He tries to erase Choice Star.
Rolling static bars, but see. Moaning. And that's it. So thank you for joining me. Until next time, and hopefully your day goes great.
See you next time.